Here's how to create a new e-commerce store in Go High Level. We're going to go right down here to Sites. Here's where you can create funnels. You can create a website. And here, stores. So let's go ahead and click that. And we're going to create a new store simply by clicking that button. Let's check out the templates. And we're going to hit continue. Great, look at these great templates that you can even search, or you can look here and see if there's anything in particular that fits within your niche. And we can just keep going. Let's see, e-commerce store. We're going to browse those categories. And we're going to do, let's see, search for template. You can filter out by most popular or most recent. These are the newer ones. The templates are identified by niche underneath each one. If you don't find, anything that, fits exactly, just go with something that, just look at the layout and see if it's something that, you want to play around with. You can preview the layout. And this one comes with home. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 pages and a shopping cart right here that you can connect with your Stripe or PayPal or a third party if you wanted to. Here's your gallery, your product gallery right down here. They've got it listed this way. Here you go. And the prices, say I wanted to check that out, and then here's the description of the item right here. You could do show more, show less, and then add to cart, and this pop-up comes here where they can go immediately to the cart or continue shopping, saving you a great deal of time with setup. I hope you enjoyed this Go High Level quick tip from Real Leads Finder Pro. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses, offering step-by-step tutorials that you can follow along to quickly build and set up your Go High Level account automations. We also offer a course called Mastering AI Conversations, which will take you through step-by-step on how to set up an AI chatbot, AI live conversations, and many AI features you may not be yet aware of. So check us out at Real Leads Finder Pro under Courses for more information.